Chuuk update, April 10, 2026. And when you look at our coconut right there, that's our condition right now. And then when you look at also the on top of the mountain, you can see those palm trees. Really struggling, I think. Coconut, you can tell that it's really windy. Alright, so let's continue and checking our way along our way to Chuuk High School. Okay, so that's it. Keep praying for all of us, of course, for safety. And thank you, Chris Chabur and Rananim. So that's the update today. It's cloudy, windy. April 10, 2026 is our situation. So going right, that's going AWM. And we're here now beside Vital, Chuuk Vital. Still raining, and you can really feel the wind. Rananim again. So that's the road with branches. Go. Mabato nasa kwan. Rocks and stones on the road. So possibly, wow, look at the, oh my goodness. Level naman ang ocean. Look, dilitaan ni mami. Nag-level ang ocean sa kwan bay. Oh? Allah ka. Level ang ocean sa. Okay. Okay. Grabe na ni. Hey, hurry up. Hurry up. Okay. So this is the situation here. My goodness. Oh! Abot gid sa ocean ang sakyanan, no? Laka. Kung anong tato na ito, mami ba? Grabe ba? So that's the update, guys. My goodness. That's really bad situation. Oh, cannot be. We supposed not to come here, mami. Because, example, kinalan ni washing yung sakyanan ba? Grabe. Wow, ocean reaches the other side of the road, mami. Grabe ba? That's terrible. It's not amazing. It's terrible. Woo! It's terrible situation here. What's this? What's that? What's that side, mami?
Seaside.
No. Shikero side ba? But what's the village ba? Nipukos side. How about this side? Wow. Woo. Side, wow, look at the branches, my way. So this one is the old Ace Hardware. Old building. Right side area. Few schools today. No school.
think all lang kayo na ay government one. Dito sa government office.
This hardware, this time open. Wow. Whew. It's really challenging. He's going Chuuk high. Mana ko gay na kung muntag kinaon lagi.
Last na.
Gay na di, gay na lang. Minya apel malung lata.
Wala may lata ko. Kuan man. Dapat baon na nato dali atong kwarta. Yung bigyan mo sa kes.
Di na ko.
Ito sa akong classroom ron. Kuan ni mo akong paper. Hindi na dahil na.
No, well, wala tayo flooding. Ang sa dagat, no? Ocean. No flooding. But, yeah, ocean side. It's really, really strong. Strong wind. Nay naman tumba dari saging. Wow. So we're approaching Choice Nantaku Height Building. Si PUC, good. So si PUC very busy, cleaning the road because of the few and some. Okay na diri kay open, walay kakuanan. Walay matumba diri. Okay, that's it. So we'll check inside. Laging mga tumba. Bye-bye. So this is the situation right now. We got Chuuk high, and then we found some, what's this, roofing? That's roofing, yeah?
Yeah.
Roofs.
Tin roof.
Tin roofs. My goodness. So from rooftop to the ground. And now we're going back inside. Woo. This is our update today. Is the Chuuk situation right now. Oh my goodness.
Kung sa Pilipinas, kani
Kana di kay open
kani. Pero dito kita sige itong pertika ko suboy. Tubangan. Kani kay may banggaan pa man.
Basura ba niya? Yato ng basura.
That's the seaside. Susumo side.
Kono tanaw.
This side, traffic.
Ang balagon.
Traffic, why? Because the waves. See, imagine that one. The sea water.
Oh, balagon.
Sa mana.
May video mo sa balagon.
Looks like waterfall. See? Grabe ni bay. Ano siya kaya nang sa kuan? Kanang mga nasa park? Ga, kuan?
Ga?
May park pa nga.
Oh, nga, na yung mga fountain. Yeah, see? Fountain. This is fountain in Chuuk. Right now, see? Look. Cars now. Traffic this side. Because of the ocean. See, look. My goodness.
Dito ba kabitso na ta?
Dito rata.
Dito ta?
Di, unong ginato dito. Mubalik ta diri. See? Hala ka! Grabe bay!
Kaya matalsik, kikitaan gini mong fountain, no?
Hala ka!
Wala!
Diba? Dali, transfer ko.
Okay.
Ano.
Grabe bay. Hala! Okay.
Wow! Splashing!
Patay. Tapas.
Splashing!
Ano mga bata oh?
Mga bata
Nagdula.
na-enjoy ang mga bata, oh.
Basta. Balik lagi tayo.
Imagine mo.
Alright guys, friends. Chuuk's friends in mainland. So this is the situation of Chuuk right now. What's hindi diri kuya? Safety side. Look at the situation. And that's go. And very, very sad. That's our truck stop bridge.
I'm going in front of you too.
No, Kuya, what happened to the bridge, Kuya?
It's already
Huh?
broken.
Wow, sorry for that. Because of the wind. Oh my goodness. That's because of the waves, big waves. Yeah, Chuuk. First time in history, my goodness. So pray for Chuuk and some other islands this time. So thank you very much. And that's the update today. Woo! So traffic this side.
Dalawa ikaw.
So now because we passed this morning, it's really traffic because one way because of those rocks on the road.
Kami
Middle of the road.
Wala pa.
So that's it. So that's the update because of the rocks. And so thank you very much.
The traffic. Masamot dito
Concern
sino
city
po?
scene. So now the smooth na ang flow sa traffic.
Feel ko ang mga
That's because
ni mga pagi madto ni gilid karon sa lagon. Daghan ni mga gawas daw ilang pastor.
so on one side
Magkwani sini.
grabe bay.
Dito gali tubangan sa church sa lugan ni palitan na itong isda dito.
Diya ka bintana ka. So Lugan Church side. This is the situation right now. Full public.
Ang dagat sa tubig.
View. That's a strong one. Alaka. Argoy. Ala. Grabe na gilay. Oh man. Ah. Grabe ba eh. Boom! Awa na. Grabe na ni.